few minutes to see if you guys are coming back. Uh, let's join the other live. Let me see if I can put through. Channel. Okay, I don't see anybody here. Okay, please join here. Hi, Kirtivasan. Finally, I think people are able to see. I lost everybody who were there on the other live. It's very bad network today. So sorry. Okay, Kirtivasan. So you said you are a developer, right? You are a front-end developer. So in that case, I would suggest go for Playwright, but see if you can get a slot with me. It is free. Like we can do a small 10 minutes call to see how your application looks like and how automation can really work for you. All right. Any other questions you have that you want to be addressed? Okay. So I'm just seeing people coming back. My previous live video just got uploaded, but not sure if that was even needed. All right. So if there are no other questions, I will quickly jump into asking a certain questions because a lot of you people are saying that you're not able to access my documents from LinkedIn. If you're not able to access my LinkedIn, let me know. I will share that personally with you. You can reach out to me on Instagram for faster replies. LinkedIn, I usually log in only during 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and towards night 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. To respond to all your queries. And do you guys want me to make any specific content that would really be of use to you? I'm actually making one a roadmap, which is like completely in depth. It is going into a lot of details, but that will be up only after 2 days. I'm working on the infographics. Meanwhile, any other questions from transitioning to manual to automation or any questions with respect to automation testing on how to start learning automation, if you're finding anything difficult with respect to automation, if you have fear of coding, like this is where we address all those questions every day around 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So we're at the closure of the call. We will go for 5 more minutes because I joined late and I had a lot of bandwidth issues. So we will take few more questions. If not, we will wrap up. Okay. So I don't see people who have like completed the Python installation. Let me know in the comments if you guys have completed your Python installation. Tomorrow we will have a screen sharing session. Today I thought I'll do it today, but very bad network guys here. So I could not even like start the live. So I don't know how my bandwidth will go down if I start streaming my screen as well. All right. So I see people coming live, but I don't see any questions coming up. All right. If there are no questions, what I would suggest, uh, okay. Yeah, let's see. Any questions, guys? If not, I am going to start 5 minutes with Python basics, just so you guys start familiarizing it. Mm, okay. All right. No questions. So were you able to execute your print statement yesterday? Today, I want you to just start with if else statements. I am dropping the link here. Okay. So to Python basics. So this is where I usually learn all my Python from. Okay, W3 Schools, the best platform there is for free and the best resource there is because not always I prefer Udemy because Udemy is not free for most of you guys. So this is my suggestion for if you ask me where to learn Python, go to W3 Schools and this is the first thing that I want you to go through. And tomorrow we will start actual screen share sessions. I will make sure my network is all good. Why is it still showing? Okay, all right. So let me know if you guys can see in the chat. So this is where I would suggest for you guys to look at Python. So I've shared the link. I don't know how to share it when I'm doing it from my phone. So that is the reason you're seeing me looking at the screen that side. My laptop is on the other side. All right. The next one is the basic syntax. Hi, Dinesh. Hi again. So the next one again is the basic syntax that I want you guys to simply go through so that tomorrow we will start executing this. All right. And did you guys get a chance to install Visual Studio Code? Uh, yes, no's quickly, please. Okay. So, all right, no problem. So tomorrow probably it will be more effective. All right, 2 more minutes, and we will take any other questions that we have with respect to manual to automation, which languages to choose, what automation roadmap is best. Any questions you guys have with respect to automation testing, you guys can ask me, and I'm here to answer it. Uh, okay, all right. 1 more minute, and we will close today's call. Going forward, it will be just 15 minutes call. I don't want to like keep extending it. 15 minutes, we will speak all things important. Need to install an office laptop. Oh, you okay? Okay, all right, Dinesh. If it is admin approval that is required, then go for it. It is easier. But just check if you really need what is your band in IBM. I am probably I'll answer this in LinkedIn. Kumar K. You can ask that to me personally on LinkedIn, and I will respond to you. I don't want to put it up on a recorded session in YouTube. All right, needs change. Okay. All right, then. Just let me know once your installation is done and we can verify if the installation went well and proceed to install. Did you install Python? If not Visual Studio Code, did you install Python? If you install Python, you can simply create your Python file in your notepad itself and just run it from your command prompt. So in the link that I shared, there is a command through which you can run your Python. All right. So with that, you can see whether your Python installation is fine or not. And then you can go ahead. Oh, you're also from IBM. All right. You can ping me on Slack then. I will respond to you. Or you can directly go ahead and check my profile. Okay. Oh, even for Python. Okay, okay, okay. All right, Dinesh. If you have a personal laptop, try it out. And to anybody that is practicing, I would highly, highly suggest start creating your GitHub repositories. If you do not know how to create GitHub repositories, please feel free to be transparent here. Tell me you don't know, I will teach you. Okay, how to install GitHub, how to have. Dinesh, if you want, you can also get your, if GitHub is not there, get that approval as well along with all this. So that when you start learning, it will be easier without, going for admin approvals again and again. And do you guys get Udemy for free from your company? Let me know that so that if you guys are getting free Udemy, I will start suggesting courses from Udemy. Now I'm assuming nobody has Udemy because there are certain people who tell me, Srinidhi, please share free courses. Please share. I need your help from manual to automation. Definitely. You ping me on Slack. I will help you out. There are some official sessions that I do. You can join those. All right. Fine. Yes. Internally as well. Yes. The classes that I am conducting externally are through YouTube for free. I am just starting things back up after my maternity leave. So YouTube is going to be like from scratch. I am going to start everything, and it will be free for sure. For now, I'm planning only Selenium with Python because there are a lot other resources for Selenium Java, and I myself personally want to sharpen my Python knowledge. So with every doubt that I get from you guys, and with every session that I teach you, it is going to be, a very good bargain for both of us. You guys will learn, I will also learn, and I can sharpen my skills in Python. All right. Not from company. Okay, okay, Dinesh. All right. And if you really want Udemy, don't purchase courses separately. There is a subscription which goes for I think 750, and since Christmas is coming, you will get a lot more offers and discounts, and that goes as low as 650 sometimes. And that is a monthly subscription, and you can learn as many courses as you want. Even if not, per course in Udemy mostly costs around 500. So this is just 150 rupees extra. So if you want, you can subscribe to Udemy on a monthly basis or whenever you want. Just the month you are preparing for an interview, the month you want to really sharpen your skills, you can just that for a particular month alone for 650 or 750. All right. Any other questions, guys? We are over 2 minutes, so I'll go until IBM is very good company. Indeed, indeed. All hearts for IBM. IBM is like, yes, yes, yes. I know. Lot of free learning, a lot of free platforms. So I vouch for IBM like wholeheartedly. Yes. Any other questions, guys? If not, we will close the session. It is stop 10 minutes now. 2 more minutes we will take, and probably I'll close the session around 8:25. Any other questions, guys? I think my lighting is really bad because what I see on my phone is not what I see on my screen. Okay. Any other questions? If not, we will start closing the session off. And Dinesh, come back to me with the installation. I'm really looking forward to it. Anyways, whatever we are going to learn, we are going to learn through W3 schools so that it is easier for us to follow and it is free to learn. Hi, Harish. Good evening. No, I said I will write. Thank you for the reminder. I will list it down and share it. Tomorrow, I have an important meeting for which I need to prepare. But after that, tomorrow evening or Thursday during our session, I'll share the list of companies. Okay, but it really depends on the demand for each company. Why? Because when they have less resources, they are okay to accept 90 days. But when there is a pool of lot of people already there waiting for a job, then they are like immediate join is preferred, immediate join is preferred. How to switch from manual to automation? Hi, Rashmi. Good evening. This session every evening is dedicated to this particular topic. How to switch from manual to automation. I would first like to know if you know coding, if you how many years of experience you have, and have you tried learning anything? Do you have a particular requirement? I don't have experience in automation testing, but learned automation testing. Very good for you. What tool did you learn, Rashmi? What is the tool that you learned? Because based on that, I can help you out. Can you share your Insta page name? Yeah. Let me just give you the link on this chat itself. You guys can follow me there. I am just building my Insta profile so that it may look quite new. Okay, Selenium. Oh, good. If you are learning Selenium using Java, all right. Okay, it just says automation specialist. Let me give you the entire link. Bye. I really wish I could share my screen and teach you guys. Fear of coding. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. I specialize in getting people out of the fear of their coding. You can ask my mentees from IBM. Everybody will vouch for that. Everybody I have transformed from manual to automation had the fear of coding, and today they know at least three programming languages. So do not worry, you're in the right place. So this is my Insta profile. You guys can go ahead and follow me. And Reshmi, coming to you. Selenium using Java, very good start. How confident are you with respect to Java concepts, the OOPS concepts, the collections especially? So these two concepts, I would really like to know how confident are you? How much have you learned? If I give you a program, to you specifically, Rashmi, today I'm giving you a program. Let me know if you were able to do this or not. Write a simple program to reverse a string. Okay, make use of if, make use of for. I want you to reverse a particular string if it contains the word automation. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sentence. Java is the most preferred language for test automation. So this is one. Two is Java is the uh, is a widely used programming language. There are these two sentences. You are going to check if a particular sentence has the string automation. If it has the string automation, then reverse this. Let me know if you are able to do this program. If you're not able to, still let me know. I will help you out. All right. Okay. Coming back to how to easily learn Java and Python. When I get stuck while learning, mood just goes off. Okay, how to overcome this? I'm unable to learn. Okay, so for anybody who's starting to learn coding, I will say take small steps, take baby steps. Don't aim too much. Take baby steps, set your expectations low. That is what I do because I also come from a manual testing background. I was a manual tester. But today I have transformed myself, I have transformed 500 plus people into automation. Okay, so first I will give you a list of take 1 week to programming language as a whole. Go for Python first. Okay, because Python gives you an easier start compared to Java. Why? Because in Java, if you want to, execute something, you really have to have a complete main function. But in Python, it is not the case. It is very straightforward, less syntax, less brackets, because brackets really, like make the programming language look very complicated. Where to use circle brackets, where to use curly brackets, where to use square brackets. But in Python, it is a little less because we have less number of usages. Not a little less, way more less. Okay, tomorrow, or let me do one thing. Let me write a LinkedIn post comparing these two languages, a simple program where I'm printing hello world, how I do it in Java and how I do it in Python. So, depending on that, you guys can weigh which programming language is easier to learn. Okay, take baby steps. If you're learning Python or if you're learning Java, the first week you are only going to learn the data types. When I say data types, the basic data types like string, integer, float, all that. The first week you are just going to familiarize. Anything you learn, write your notes. Make note writing really, fun. Start writing with color pen. These may be very little, very small advice, but my mentees have found that these are making it fun for them. Share Selenium with Python course index. Yes, Harish, I have a lot of lists from you. I will definitely. All right. So, um, yeah. So, Kiami, so that is what I would suggest. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Let me speak with you. I'm not going to charge you for that. Okay. I do this mentorship for free. So you can definitely connect with me. Let's see what is really, scaring you. What is putting you off when you're learning your programming language. So depending on that, I will craft a plan for you. And you can start learning. And I'm sure one day you will come back to me and tell me, Srinidhi, I learned a programming language. And from there, you will start. Hi, Raghu. Good evening. Okay, I said I'll close the session at 8:15. It is already 8:30. No problem. Keep your questions coming, guys. Recently came to know Playwright is required for many companies. Yes, Playwright is being asked, but do not worry. If you have learned Selenium, so do not get deviated because that happens a lot because you see openings for that particularly. So don't worry about it. Rather, what you learn, keep it for yourself. Can you start a course? Yes, Raghu, I will definitely do that. So I really want to take two sessions, one in the morning and one in the evening, but I'm not able to accommodate it. So, but definitely I will do Playwright because I'm just completing my own learning of Playwright. But once that is done, but can you let me know if you want the course to be in JavaScript or Python? Because we can do both for Playwright. So depending on that, if it is Python, it is easier. Like once we learn Python from these sessions, we can directly switch to Playwright and start doing Playwright as well simultaneously. So whoever wants to join my Playwright sessions can join my Playwright sessions with Python, and whoever wants to learn Selenium can switch to Selenium sessions with me. All right. So Rashmi, don't get like upset that you learned Selenium, but now companies are asking Playwright. That is how the market is. Like today something will be there, and tomorrow something new will come. So don't worry because case sensitive coding is tough. No, don't worry. Because in Java you have case sensitivity, but in Python it's all snake casing. When I say snake casing, it is like in Java, if you're writing a function name, it'll be like reverse a string is there, right? We by convention we will use reverse, and the string yes will be caps. But in Python that is not required. You can simply say case reverse underscore a string. And these naming conventions, case sensitivity are not quite big when it comes to Python. Even the inbuilt functions or methods do not have much case sensitivity or no case sensitivity at all for that matter. So don't worry. Definitely ping me on Slack. Okay. So if you ping me on Slack, I will respond to you and we will speak. We will speak. All right. Any other questions, guys? We are over 15 minutes over time. Any other questions? Any other questions? Quickly. One more minute and we will close the call. If you have any more questions, you can drop it here. Do we have any WhatsApp group for sharing job updates? I will create one. I don't have Telegram, I don't have WhatsApp, but I will definitely start creating those. Or I can create an Instagram channel. That will be better for me because I'll have everything in one place. Because we already have YouTube, we already have Insta, we already have LinkedIn, already three social media. I don't want to keep expanding it. Rather create an Instagram channel and you guys can come join me. Okay. I think that would be better. Raghu, I hope you're following me on Instagram, aren't you? If not, I will drop my Instagram ID once again so that you guys can you know, follow me there, join my channel. How to apply for automation tester job without experience. Okay, this is something we need to speak in detail. Rishmi, ping me on LinkedIn. I will answer you. All right, I am closing the session for now, guys. We will speak tomorrow around the same time, 8 o'clock. Thanks for sharing. No problem. All the best. So, you guys just ping me. Automation is easy, coding is easy. Just we need to start and we will start. Okay. So, follow me, keep following me. From which date this classes are started, and you have time to respond one to one in LinkedIn if I have any resume preparation or GenAI related preparation. Yes, just ping me on LinkedIn. I will definitely reply to messages. It basically depends on how much time I have got between my work. If not, that is why I'm conducting YouTube lives daily. Most companies ask for Java and Selenium. Yes, we spoke about this yesterday, Kumar. So this YouTube live I'm doing daily solely is because I'm not getting time to respond to each one of your queries. So whatever question I get here, I make sure I answer it. So Harish, keep your questions coming here. If I don't respond it here, if you have more questions, post it on LinkedIn. If not, we can speak about it tomorrow because every day we are going to have these sessions happening. But most companies are for Java Selenium. Yes, Java, I am speaking very fast so that I can address as many questions as possible before we close. Most companies ask for Selenium and Java because that is what the mass knows better. And even if you see, thank you, Harish, keep it coming. Um, but most companies ask Java and Selenium. Yes, Java and Selenium solely because that is what the existing people know. Okay, so whenever a team is getting created, they start creating it with the seniors. And when seniors know Java and Selenium, that is what they will like push the project towards. They want Selenium and Java resources, and that is why that is happening. But these days, we are also having a lot of requirement for Selenium Python, but the supply is very low. Okay, so you will get better packages if you know Selenium Python. But if you know Selenium and Java, don't worry. If you want to learn Selenium Java, go for it. But I would say if you're starting freshly, go for Selenium Python. Rashmi, don't worry. I am not like demotivating you. If you have already learned that, just keep progressing yourself. Okay. You can apply for jobs without an experience, but I will speak on this topic a little later because that is not something credible that I can, suggest you. Ping me on LinkedIn, mention this how to apply for tester's job. I will disclose the details to you. All right. Okay. Any other questions, guys? We are at 8:35. Okay. One more minute. We will see if any question pops up. If not, we will start closing the call. Okay. All right. Okay. I just moved my table up. Any other questions? All right. One more minute, and we are coming to the closure of this session. Create separate any Google document, copy paste all these questions and give related. That is mm, it's easy, but a very difficult task for me to catch up. But once we have a lot of our audience growing, I will definitely do that, Harish. All right. I think we are at the top of the hour. Harish, if you're done with your lists, that will be great. If not, I'll read this once the session comes to an end. All right, guys. If which language should we learn with Playwright? I would suggest go for JS or Python. Either ways, both are equally good when it comes to AI. So you can go with either Python or JS. Any other questions? Quickly, quickly, guys. Let's close it. Thank you, Harish. It was great having you guys. We will meet tomorrow then. Any other questions? Drop it now. 10 more seconds and we will close. All right, then. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I hope I was able to answer all your questions today. Keep it coming tomorrow as well. We will meet again tomorrow. I will see if I can share my screen. I know I'm making promises of sharing my screen. I will still try tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Have a great night, great evening. Don't lose confidence. Don't be scared of coding. We are here to debunk any says automation is difficult, code is difficult. All right. Thank you so much. Bye, bye, bye. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Bye, bye.